Hey everyone, my name is Baris from the ZenML team, and today I would like to introduce you to our new feature, the one-click deployment tool, available starting from the version 0.61.0. This new feature focuses on the concept of stacks. For those of you who don't know, the stack is a fundamental concept in ZenML. In simple words, it represents the configuration of the infrastructure that your workflows are running on. Especially in remote settings, setting up such a stack with all of its components can be a challenging and a time-consuming process. In order to help our users, we came up with this feature which helps you to deploy all the necessary pieces and bring them together in a stack with a single click. In order to use this tool, you can select one of two ways. You can either access it through our dashboard or through our CLI. I'll show you both. But let's focus on the dashboard first. On the dashboard, the one-click deployment is available through the Stacks page. All you have to do is to go to the Stacks page and click on New Stack. Here, you will have the option to deploy a new stack from scratch. Currently, only AWS is supported, but GCP and Azure are on their way. Once you select AWS, you just need to select a region and a name. Continue through the page and click on Next. Here, you will have the Deploy in AWS button, and this will redirect you to a CloudFormation page, which is already pre-configured. Once you review the configuration, you can go ahead and click on Create Stack. Under the hood, this will take care of all the necessary authentication for you and deploy a new ZenML stack for you with an S3 artifact store, an ECR container registry, and a SageMaker orchestrator. On the other hand, if you opt in to use the CLI, you can replicate the process by using the command ZenML stack deploy, and here you will have to select a provider, which is AWS in this case. Once you execute it, you will see the similar information on this page, and going forward with this process will redirect you to the same CloudFormation page. If you need more details regarding the resources and the permission that the process is creating, or have any other questions, feel free to visit our docs or contact us on Slack. Thank you.